How to fix Google Workspace Administrator. Hello guys, if you want to fix this problem, first step, go to settings, click apps and notifications, click apps and wait a second for loading. So you can scroll down for search application Google Workspace Sheets, or you can click search and go to application. So click for stop, click OK and go to storage and click clear cache. After these steps, go to data and turn off Wi-Fi and turn on your Wi-Fi and turn on mobile data and turn on mobile data. So don't forget like and subscribe. Bye.